Listen, y'all know that I am obsessed with ClickUp. And one of my first videos that like went really viral was a video about ClickUp because I loved ClickUp, and then ClickUp 2.0 came out and I did a video about that. And today we're gonna talk about ClickUp 3.0 because it's gonna blow your mind. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Stansberry, and I am pumped that you are here. Now, ClickUp is the sponsor of this video, so I just want to put that out there from the jump, but also we've got to cover how awesome ClickUp 3.0 and ClickUp's new AI tools are, because they are truly like blowing my mind, okay? So I wasn't really on ClickUp 1.0 enough, like long enough to like remember now what the difference in ClickUp and ClickUp 2.0 was. I think a lot of what ClickUp 2.0 was the integration of like an app instead of having to use like the web, you know, to access it, but also just like more features and things like that. And ClickUp 3.0 is getting an all new design, lots of new features, lots of new kind of aesthetic features, which honestly I think are to compete with Notion a little bit. Better like overview spaces and workspaces so that you can put whatever you want in all of those spots. New automations, better ways to collaborate, better ways to multitask, schedule Google meetings, all of the good stuff. But the thing that I'm probably most excited about is AI. So AI is like all the rage, right? Like, I mean, I've done a video about AI. I did a video about ChatGPT. It's all the rage. It's the thing that everybody is talking about, and for good reason, because it's literally like life-changing. But if you have ClickUp, you no longer need to go use things like ChatGPT or Jasper.io because it is literally built into ClickUp, and it's spectacular. Now, ClickUp 3.0 and ClickUp AI are on waitlist only, so I will put those waitlist links below. But if you want to try out ClickUp, you can totally sign up for free, and then when it's available to access for everybody, you can get that. So I'll put all those links below. Let me just show you what ClickUp AI can do. Okay, so if you're familiar with any kind of like writing AI tool, it's basically all built into ClickUp now. So right here are just kind of my notes about what I'm gonna talk about in this video. But in this description, if I want to pull up the AI tools, I just have to, since I've already written in it, I just need to hit the / and it'll pull them up. Or if I hadn't already written in it, it would be an option, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'll hit the / and all of the AI tools come up. So write with AI, simplify writing, fix spelling and grammar, make it shorter, make it longer, explain this, continue writing, make it better, like lots of things. So we're gonna write with AI, and I'm gonna get ClickUp AI to tell me why ClickUp AI is so awesome. Give me 10 bullet points to explain how ClickUp AI is awesome. And I can say like in a friendly voice, and then I just click the generate button and it will generate all of these bullet points, and then I can insert them in the description. So while it's generating, let me tell you another use case for this. My team had tagged me. We're launching a membership site next month. And my team had tagged me in a task where they were like, hey, can you write out some like prompts that you want us to use for like weekly engagement posts in this membership? And I was like, I'll do you one better. Let me get ClickUp to do it. And I had ClickUp go in and generate 20 conversation starters and questions for people who are learning to use YouTube. And it did a really great job. So right here, ClickUp AI is your personal assistant that helps you manage tasks and projects effortlessly. With ClickUp AI, you can easily prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. It's used as machine learning to understand your work patterns and suggest best ways to complete tasks. You can automate repetitive tasks. Integrates other tools like Google Calendar and Slack, making it easier to stay organized. ClickUp AI provides real-time insights into your team's progress. You can use it to set reminders and deadlines, customizable templates for different projects. ClickUp AI has a user-friendly interface. ClickUp AI offers excellent customer support. So we're gonna just insert that here. And now I've got these bullet points for my video. If I wanted to write something, so if I was like, okay, ClickUp 3.0 is the most amazing tool ever. I love the AI writing feature. it makes working so much easier. If I wanted to like expound on that, I could let AI do that for me. So I just highlight it and click AI, and I want to say like make longer. And it's going to like make that longer for me. ClickUp 3.0 is an exceptional tool that has revolutionized the way we work. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, it has become a go-to platform for professionals across various industries. One of the most impressive features of ClickUp 3.0 is its AI writing feature, which has made working on projects significantly easier and more efficient. Gone are the days when you need to spend hours brainstorming and drafting content. With the writing feature, you can now generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes. Moreover, ClickUp 3.0 AI writing feature is incredibly versatile and customizable. In conclusion, the writing feature is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. Like, amazing. So let's just replace that. Okay, awesome. Now let's use some of the other AI tools. Okay, let's come up with a process, like an SOP. So let's just let AI do this. Okay, so let's say I want to come up with a YouTube video creation process. And we're gonna do this in a friendly voice. I do love this, that you like get to pick the voice it's in, and I'm gonna hit generate. And it's gonna come up with the objective, the scope, the procedure. And obviously I can like change this to fit my actual process and put it in. But the thing about it is what AI does is it crawls the internet to like find these answers. And so this is not new information. These are all things that like people can tell you how to do, right? So I can go through here and either like insert that or edit it or try it again, copy it, discard it, whatever. So I'm going to just insert that here. So now there's a standard operating procedure for YouTube video creation. Brainstorming, script writing, storyboarding, filming, editing, review and feedback, publishing. Done. Now, if I were actually using this as an SOP, I would go through and put in more like how-to videos and things like that because that's part of my SOPs, but this is a great starting point. So like something else that we've used, and I'm just gonna like create a new card. Something else we've been using ChatGPT for, and now ClickUp AI, is blog posts. So see here, a second ago I mentioned that if you hadn't started writing, like AI tools were right here in the description. So you can see that you can pick like add description or use AI tools. So I am going to use AI tools, and I am going to have it write a 1,000 word blog post about how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. Okay, again, we're gonna go with a friendly voice and we're gonna generate it. Now it's gonna take it a minute, it's 1,000 words, right? But the thing with this is you can either obviously just like use this, but you can also use it as a really great starting point. You can get scripts in here, bullet points for videos, like all of these things. And if you have bullet points for videos, but you're someone who wants a script, you can put the bullet points for the videos in there and let it write you a script. Like, it's spectacular. Okay, I think it actually kind of glitched out here, but let's just see what it did here. So first 1,000 subscribers, create high quality content, optimize your videos for SEO, promote your videos on social media, collaborate with others, engage with your audience, use paid ads, like all this stuff, right? And let's say I wanted to make this little bit longer, like explain it more. I can highlight it and do make longer, and then have it make that whole section longer and improve the post a little bit more. So again, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's a really great starting point and it can take a lot of the work out of it for you. So I started a local Instagram account years ago now, and it is specific to our local area, like my county. And my team runs that, and we like manage this account. All it's ever been is an Instagram account, but we've decided to turn this into a website. So we're gonna be like writing about our town and things like that. And I encouraged my team to use ClickUp AI, ChatGPT, like things like that, to like write and help them write these blog posts, because we need several blog posts. And instead of taking all their time to like think through and use the brain power to write all these blog posts, they can get really good starting points and then go from there and refine them as they go. You can also use ClickUp AI to like check your spelling and things like that. So if I wanted to highlight that and click that and do fix spelling and grammar, and it really just kind of changed up some wording here, so, you know, that's fine. But nonetheless, I think you get it. I think you see how awesome ClickUp AI, ClickUp 3.0 is about to be, because holy moly, it saves so many steps. And even if you're using something like ChatGPT, you can like not have to even navigate over there, and you can just use the AI that's built into ClickUp. And there are like a million use cases for this, like literally a million. So for us as creators, if I want to write bullet points, let me just show you another option here. So I'm going to have it write with AI again, and I'm going to say, give me 5 bullet points to explain how AI can be used for the YouTube creator. Okay, and I'm just gonna have it generate it, and I'm just gonna get bullet points because I don't script my videos, so I just need bullet points. So let's see if it gets it spot on. Content optimization, automated video editing, personalized recommendations, real-time analysis, and automated captions. Like, those are great ways that AI can help the creator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and insert that, and now I have bullet points. Again, I can add to that, I can take away from it, I can change some things up, but it's a great starting point. And for me, what I have seen, like it's really good to get me out of my head. So now it's all built into ClickUp, and I can literally manage my entire team, my entire business, my entire content creation platform, my entire like everything, and incorporate AI to help make all of that better. Like, it's amazing. Okay, so thank you again, ClickUp, for sponsoring this video. Again, ClickUp 3.0, ClickUp AI is on waitlist only, so I'll make sure to put the links to apply for the waitlist below. If you want to try out ClickUp for free as a whole, you can do that at heyjessica.com/ClickUp, and go ahead and get signed up and familiarize yourself with ClickUp itself before 3.0 and AI are available to everybody, because you are going to want in on this. I promise.